Welcome. This moment is just for you. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and allow your body to relax completely. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing you need to do, nothing you need to prove. Take a slow deep breath in and gently release it. Again, breathing in calm, breathing out tension. As you listen to these words, know this: you don't need to try to believe them. Your subconscious mind is listening, and it learns through repetition, emotion, and relaxation. Just let the words wash over you like music. Imagine your mind is like a soft clay, warm, open, receptive. Every affirmation you hear now is gently reshaping how you see yourself. Confidence is not something you chase, it is something you remember. And right now, you are remembering who you truly are. Let's begin. I am calm and grounded. I am safe being myself. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am confident without effort. I am allowed to take up space. I am allowed to be seen and heard. I am enough exactly as I am. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am growing stronger every day. I am relaxed in my own presence. Now we go deeper. Repeat silently or aloud. I am worthy of respect. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of success. I am not defined by my past. I am not limited by old stories. I am free to redefine myself now. I am valuable even when I rest. I am valuable even when I say no. I am valuable without explanation. I am enough without achievement. I am enough without approval. I am enough without comparison. I release the need to prove myself. I release the need to please everyone. I release the habit of doubting myself. Imagine yourself walking into a room. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your breath is steady. Your presence is calm and magnetic. People feel your confidence, not because you are loud, but because you are secure. Now repeat. I am confident in conversations. I am clear when I speak. I am comfortable expressing my thoughts. I am respected for who I am. I am taken seriously. I am trusted. I am confident making decisions. I am confident saying no. I am confident saying yes. I trust myself. I back myself. I believe in myself. You no longer look outside for permission. Repeat gently. I am my own approval. I am my own validation. I am my own safe place. I speak to myself with kindness. I treat myself with compassion. I honor my feelings. I am proud of myself even when learning. I am proud of myself even when imperfect. I am proud of myself for continuing. I choose confidence over criticism. I choose self-respect over self-doubt. I choose love over fear. I am grounded in who I am. I am steady. I am secure. Other people's opinions do not define me. Comparison no longer controls me. I stand tall in my truth. I am confident in silence. I am confident in action. I am confident being myself. I am becoming more self-assured every day. I am becoming more powerful every day. I am becoming more confident every day. I am confident. I am worthy. I am enough. I am confident. I am worthy. I am enough. Let these affirmations continue to echo in your mind while you sleep, while you move through the day. Confidence is no longer something you work on. It is who you are now. Take one final deep breath in and gently return when you are ready.